Welcome back to Decor Daily. If you live in an apartment or a smaller space, you already know the constant struggle of trying to make every single square inch count. Today we are diving deep into the world of apartment decor, focusing on how to make your compact home feel twice as large, incredibly stylish, and completely organized. Living in an apartment doesn't mean you have to compromise on your aesthetic or your comfort. In fact, smaller spaces often give us the best opportunity to get creative, focus on intentional design, and turn a simple box of rooms into a true urban sanctuary. Let's talk about how to transform your apartment from cluttered and cramped to open, airy, and effortlessly chic. The biggest challenge when you are decorating an apartment is layout and traffic flow. When space is limited, every piece of furniture has to earn its place. We often fall into the trap of pushing all our furniture against the walls, thinking it will open up the room, but it actually often makes the space feel stiff and uninviting. Instead, think about floating your furniture just a little bit or choosing multifunctional pieces. A coffee table with hidden storage, an ottoman that opens up for blankets, or a dining table that folds down against the wall can completely change how your apartment functions. When your belongings have a designated hidden spot, your floors stay clear and your entire apartment instantly breathes a sigh of relief. This foundational shift in how you view your floor space is the secret to successful apartment living. Next up, let's talk about vertical space because it is your absolute best friend in a small apartment. Most of us only look at our rooms horizontally, floor area, rug placement, couch length, and we completely ignore the walls above our eye level. But if your floor space is maxed out, you have to look up. Installing floating shelves near the ceiling to store items you don't use every day, or hanging long curtains high above your window frames creates an optical illusion that makes your ceiling look towering and majestic. When you draw the eye upward, a low-ceiling apartment suddenly feels grand and spacious. Pair these high shelves with some minimalist decor item, books, or trailing plant, and you are maximizing both storage and style simultaneously. Bringing a touch of nature indoors is essential for apartment living, where we often feel disconnected from the outdoors. Biophilic design, incorporating plants, natural woods, and stone textures brings life and fresh energy into a concrete box. You don't need a massive indoor jungle, just a couple of resilient house plants like a snake plant in the corner or a pothos on the bookshelf can completely shift the atmosphere. Plants purify the air, add a gorgeous organic pop of green against neutral walls, and make a rental apartment feel like a deeply personal lived-in home. If you don't have a green thumb, don't worry. Even high-quality fox greenery or natural dried botanicals in a ceramic vase will give you that exact same texture and the aesthetic. Finally, let's talk about styling surfaces and keeping your apartment clutter-free. In a small space, visual clutter equals mental clutter. When every single surface is covered in mail, skincare bottles, chargers, and knickknacks, your apartment instantly feels smaller and more stressful. Practice the art of editing. When you style a coffee table or a kitchen counter, use the rule of three and leave some breathing room. Empty space is a luxury in apartment decor. It gives your eyes a place to rest. When your surfaces are clean and intentional, your apartment looks like it was styled by a professional designer, even if it's just a cozy studio set.